For the Konmari method of folding a t-shirt, you actually want to face the t-shirt face down, always on a flat surface, spread it out. And I like to think of Konmari's methods in the form of rectangles and thirds. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide up the t-shirt into thirds. I'm going to bring my right side in first. I'm gonna tuck the little sleeve in here so it creates a straight outer edge. I'm gonna bring the opposite side over to form another third, but not quite to the edge. I'm gonna leave a little seam there, if you will. And again, I'm gonna tuck in the sleeve here. So here's my rectangle after folding the t-shirt into thirds. I'm going to bring the base of the t-shirt up to the collar. And each time I like to spread it out, and then I'm going to fold it in thirds again. That's what I call a Gianna slap. I just like to do that. That's not part of the Konmari method. But the test to see if you've done it correctly is that the t-shirt should, in fact, stand up. Voila.